Until now, there's no blockchain platform that is actually capable of delivering the required performance, and we're trying to change that with EOS.io.
I mean, to really start an institution for the first time, ton of work. I've done it before. I've done it for trade associations and professional associations. Hard to set up a new organization. We're doing that now with our governance team, with EOS.Go. EOS.Go.
Thanks for the introduction. My name is Brendan Bloomer. I'm the CEO of a company called Block1, and we are the publisher of a project called EOS. EOS.